So there are a few different ways that you can use Microsoft Excel if you don't already have it. If you want to purchase Excel so you can install it on your computer, head to the website office.com and you'll see a button that says Get Office. When you click on that, you'll see all the different plans that offer Excel. You have a family plan where you can install it for 2 to 6 people. There's also a personal plan, and both of these are subscriptions where you get the latest features, but you'll have to continue paying either every month or every year. If you scroll down a little bit, there's also an option where you can just pay a one-time fee and then you get access to Excel. But you won't get any additional updates over time. Back on office.com, as an alternative, you can also use Excel on the web entirely for free. And in terms of functionality, it offers most of what you'll find in the desktop software. On office.com, click on Sign In. If you don't already have a Microsoft account, you can create one for free. Once you finish signing in, simply click on the green Excel logo and this will drop you on the main Excel start page. If you're on the go, you can also use Excel on your phone. Navigate to either the App Store or the Play Store, depending on whether you have an iPhone or an Android phone, and then simply search for Excel, and you can install it on your phone as well. In this course today, we're going to focus on the desktop software that you install on your computer. All right, well, hopefully now you have Microsoft Excel, and we have a management offsite that we need to prepare a story for. So let's open up Excel.